Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I thought I would do a vlog. I thought I would just vlog a couple of days this week because I'm just fancying it. So I've just been getting ready. I'm in a little bit of a rush because I'm not running late, but I'm tight on time. So I'm just heading into town because the PR coordinator for Nars is in Newcastle from London today. So she's really kindly invited me into the Nars counter at John Lewis so that they can show me some new products, which is really exciting. So I thought that I would bring you along for that. I love Nars, you know. I've used a couple of their products, like their Radiance Primer, for a while, but it's only over the past, I'd say, like 6 months that I've really tried more products from the brand, and a lot of them have made it into my everyday makeup bag, which is a good sign. So I am gonna get going. I'm gonna pack my bag and I shall see you there. Before I go, I thought I'd give you a little bit of an outfit of the day. Don't mind the state that is my room. There's lights everywhere, there's like hair tools everywhere, but I'm wearing this top that I got ages ago from Zara, this misguided camel coat, which again I got like 2 years ago. If they've still got this, because it's a bit of a staple, I will link it in the description box. But my jeans are from ASOS. I've got their high-waisted black mom jeans on. No, they're not mom jeans, they're their Farley jeans. Again, I'll link these below along with my boots. I am just wearing my Docs today, so that is my outfit, pretty chilled. But yeah, shall we go?
So you've got like a cat eye, like like people want cat eyes. So fun, I love it so much.
So I've just got done in John Lewis. That was actually really quick, but it was amazing. So they're lovely, one of their chief makeup artists did my makeup with a couple of their new collections, which is so cool. I've got them here in a little goodie bag which they gave me, so I'm going to show you those when I get home. But I am going to go for some food now with my mama. I'm just in Phoenix now. I think we're going to go to the fish bar, which isn't actually called the fish bar. I think it's the Saltwater Fish Company, but I call it the fish bar. I love my makeup so much. I've got like pink on my eye. I love it. And she put blush here, like on the tops of my cheeks, and it literally makes me look so much younger. I am obsessed with it. I'm going to start doing this all the time now. I love it. So we came to Fuego instead, and I'm so excited. I'm fancying maybe the calamari, I don't know. I do fancy the prawns, but I don't want to peel them. Oh, but they do have Spanish omelette, which is also so nice. I went for the calamari in the end, got myself a glass of Sauvignon, and mother got the Spanish tortilla, which also looks absolutely amazing. I'm so excited for this. Of course I got the churros. You know I got the churros. And I got myself a coffee. My mama got a Portuguese tart and a cup of tea. Oh, guys, I've been trying to be good and I am so excited for these. You have no idea. So I'm home now, guys. That was so nice. This tinted lip balm I am dying for. You guys know I'm so obsessed with the Nars Afterglow lip balm in the shade Orgasm. I love it so much. So on my lips she used the new Afterglow lip balm in the shade Deep Throat. I've literally just topped it up now so you can see it. I love this shade so much. They literally just add like the perfect amount of colour, the perfect amount of shine. I'm so obsessed with them. Like I always say, these are the perfect thing for a date. If you're going for a date or you're expecting kisses, these are so amazing because they kind of look like a lipstick slash a little bit like a gloss, or like a sort of sheer kind of glossy lipstick, but they're so hydrating. They're amazing, and they're not heavy on your lips. They're really lightweight. I love them so much. So I thought I'd show you guys what I got in my Nars goodie bag. I've just laid them out on my bed, but I have the Afterglow collection, which consists of the Afterglow eyeshadow palette. How stunning are the shades in here? I can't Cope. And then we've also got the Overlust Cheek Palette, which again is gorgeous. So these 3 shades on the top are highlighters, and they're a gel to powder highlighter, and they just have the most gorgeous consistency. And these 3 shades on the bottom are blushes. They're just so beautiful. Also part of the Afterglow collection is the extension of the range of tinted lip balms. These shades are so gorgeous. I can really see myself wearing this orangey peachy colour in summertime. I think that the pink shades are absolutely stunning, and I absolutely love the red. I love this berry shade as well. I think that that'll be so nice while it's still winter. And they've also got this collection of blushes launching. This is so exciting. So there's some matte shades, there's some that would go really nicely on pale skin, like this for example. Gorgeous. And I also just got a few lip liners and a couple of lipsticks at Morphe. So yes, I am just going to chill tonight. I am going to take these clothes off. I'm going to put my pajamas on. So I shall see you later in the week, guys. Bye. Morning, guys. So today is Friday, and I've come for a lovely little walk along the beach. Look at it, it's so pretty. I find coming for a walk down the beach just so therapeutic. I love it so much, and it's such a gorgeous day. So yeah, I've come out for a walk just to kind of calm my mind. It's something that I do a few times a week. It really just helps me to relax. I go on meditative walks. I will literally just walk along this cliff top and I'll just like get in my zone, you know? That's what I like to do, just to clear my mind. And yeah, so that is what I'm doing right now, and I might stop off and have a cheeky little coffee on my way back. And what am I doing the rest of the day? I'm gonna do some work, and then tonight I'm going for dinner with my gorgeous girl Kate. You guys know Kate, she's my best friend. But yeah, I'm going for dinner with her tonight because basically, well, it's my birthday on Sunday. If you're watching on the day that I upload this video, it's my birthday, so feel free to wish me a happy birthday. But yeah, basically, I don't know if anyone else does this, but I don't just celebrate my birthday on my birthday. I will celebrate it for the entirety of Pisces season. So today I'm celebrating it with Kate, which I'm really excited about. We're gonna go for a lovely meal. Oh, so excited. But yeah, ooh, police horses. Oh, look at those police horses. They're so cute. Why do I still call them horses though? Bit odd, never mind. It's such a gorgeous sunny day. Oh, I love it. If that doesn't calm your mind, I don't know what would. Just spotted some ducks, just having a quick little wash in a puddle, as you do. I mean, you wouldn't want to be walking along here after one too many bevies. I'm just gonna say that. So a couple of months ago, I found a stone circle. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have already seen this, but how cool is that? So I think the specific one is a peace labyrinth. And if you don't know, basically they hold like sacred geometric shapes, and when you walk them you align yourself with the frequencies of the earth. And yeah, how cool is that? So I walked it a couple of months ago. Took a little while, not gonna lie, so I won't be doing that again in a hurry, but it was amazing. And the fact that someone has taken the time to build this is just insane. Guess who just had a wee in the grass? I couldn't hold it in. Don't judge. You would have done it too. You know you would. Finally finished my walk. Stopped off at the village cafe. I'm gonna have a coffee and a sausage sarnie. And this is my brekkie because I only had a banana before I left the house. I'm so excited for this. Oh my word, they do a really good coffee here. So it's later on, as you can probably tell. I literally just came home, did a bit of work, and then got ready. So I'll show you my outfit of the night. Again, don't mind the hair tools, but this is my outfit. So I've got this kind of blazer dress on from Shein. I absolutely love the sleeves on these. I think they're so gorgeous. I really like the kind of military style buttons as well. And my boots are from Topshop. I will link them down below. I haven't got tan on my legs. Normally, if I wasn't wearing tan on my legs, I would wear tights. But because I'm going for a meal, I do not want to wear tights because they are restrictive around the waist. We don't want that. And on my face, I'm wearing, I'll link all my makeup below actually, but I tried out the new Nars eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love it. I just put kind of like a crease colour in, and then I winged out some like shadow to create a wing. You know what I mean. But yeah, I just did that. Really basic, but I didn't have much time, so I just wanted to stick to what I know, you know. And perfume of the night is gonna be Baccarat. I love Baccarat. Oh, let me put this on. Pre-birthday night out calls for Baccarat. Right, shall we get going? I got the penne pescatore. Kate's laughing at me because I'm being really loud. Okay, got a pizza. That looks gorgeous. Some chips. Got myself a wine. Of course I did. We finished our meal. Oh my god, that was so nice. Had a little bit of ice cream to finish. Didn't film it, was too busy eating it. Oh my god, it was so nice. Had a couple of glasses of wine. It was nice, wasn't it?
It was really nice, yeah.
I really enjoyed it. Me and Kate are thinking about doing like a girl talk video and answering your questions and stuff. So if you would like us to do that, let me know down below and we'll do it. Whether it's about, what could we talk about, Kate?
Periods. Femininity.
Femininity.
I can't even say that word.
Femininity. Being a female, all the stuff to do with being a female.
Yeah, definitely.
It's hard being a female.
It is.
In 2020.
Men.
Yeah, men.
How difficult they are.
Let us know, because we're open books. Kate's like me. She's a total open book. She will talk about anything.
Yeah.
And yeah, we thought that that could be quite fun. So let me know.
You better tell them about the dessert we had.
Oh, I had. What did you have?
I had blood orange and mango gelato. It was beautiful.
Yeah, like proper
and
gelato.
You had like a creamier one.
Yeah,
I
had coconut and hazelnut.
Yeah.
I love gelato, like proper gelato. Like
so nice.
Yeah.
Also, do you know what? I think they should comment down below.
What?
Where me and you should go on holiday this year.
Yeah, where shall me and Kate go? We've been thinking.
Can't decide.
We can't. Where shall we go on holiday? We're gonna go somewhere, but we don't know where. Let us know, what is the best holiday you have ever been on? Let us know. And why. Yeah, tell us why as well. And where we should go. I feel like I've drank too much wine, honestly.
We're full.
I'm so full. So this is absolutely terrible lighting, but I'm home now. I am gonna take my makeup off, take these lashes off. Oh, I think taking your lashes off has got to be like the second best feeling in the world. The first is obviously taking your bra off. That is the one. I hadn't seen Kate in a couple of weeks and it was just so nice to see her and to catch up and everything. But I'm gonna take my makeup off now. I'm gonna get myself to bed. Let me know if you enjoyed this vlog, guys, and if you would like to see more. And if you would like to see more, would you like to see more of me like doing stuff like I have in this vlog, or would you like to see more sort of like homey vlogs and things like that? Like, just let me know. I'm open to your feedback. But yeah, really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a cheeky little thumbs up, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye guys.